Hello friends, I am Rajiv from Rashtec. Today we will discuss what is RAM in computer. So let's start. RAM stands for random access memory and it is critical component of a computer's hardware. RAM is a type of volatile memory which means its content are only retained when the computer is powered on. When you open a program file, the data required for that task is loaded into RAM for quick access by the computer processor. RAM serves as a temporary workspace for the CPU. CPU means central processing unit and allow it to read and write data quickly. It acts as a bridge between the CPU and the long-term storage device like SSD, hard disks. When you launch a application, the relevant data is moved from the storage device to RAM. When the CPU can access it much faster than if it had read directly from the slower storage media. The amount of RAM in a computer has significant impact on its performance. If a computer has insufficient RAM for the task you are performing, it can load to slow down and performance issue as the system has to constantly swap data between RAM and storage. When you turn off the computer, the data stored in RAM is erased and the RAM become available for new data when you power on computer on again. That's why you need to save your work to the permanent storage like hard disks regularly to ensure data is not lost when your computer is shut down. So friends, that's it. Thank you for watching.